Here we are in downtown Kuala Lumpur, over in Malaysia, and we're come down for the GP for the weekend. So a little bit out of my depth here, but hey, what an unusual sort of a place. Hey, check it out. You go into the shops and they do a whole lot of bartering. What a cool job. Anyway, let's see what we can find. We're having a bit of walk around. We're just going to get some grip rub, and get us some sleep tonight. Anyway, this is the Park Royal Hotel we're staying at. Really nice rooms. I'll show you them later. And all right, guys.
Swallow up the day's romances, spit them out as second chances, and when
Day one in Malaysia. In my room. It's pretty cool. Yeah, check me what it's like outside here. Had a good night last night. Went into the street where there's all this food. Let's a bit of a walk through the unit we're in. Don't forget, there's 3 blokes in there, so yeah, we're not going to be the tidiest. So anyway, we're heading out. We're just going to go and do a bit of sightseeing today, and see what we can find, and more of this lovely food over here. Alright, spot you all later.
swallow up the day's romances, spit them out as second chances, and when you're done,
And Joe got away from me.
ends one coming to you.
Are you walking up or not?
Fire over there, we get bait from the
Things you do to get a bloody shot, for God's sake. Hello, mate.
We are all slaves to the stars. It's not the same. Love comes around the sun. Chances are we'll be gone.
We're gonna make it over, mate. There, mate.
Well, it's official. I got to the third landing, calling it quits.
Fourth landing.
Fourth landing, even better.
Yeah, we're gonna go and get a beer.
We're
Celebrate.
We're going to have a beer, but we're not going to put that on the video, all right? We're going to have water. Right. Okay. Okay, that's just put me to shame.